It's always nice to be able to crack your window for some fresh air, but not when you get wet. So today we're going to be installing these AVS window vent visors on our 2017 Silverado to keep us nice and dry. These are AVS's in-channel window deflectors designed to fit your crew cab Silverado. They feature an in-channel design for a sleek and custom look while keeping out rain, wind, and snow when you crack your window. They're made of smoked acrylic that's scratch resistant and car wash safe, and they install without any drilling. For more information on fitment and pricing, click the link down in the description below. Now let's get to the install. Okay, the first part of this install is putting down the window. Use the provided Scotch-Brite pad and scrub the inside of the felt all the way along where the window goes. You're going in between the felt and the rubber seal, right where the window goes. Next, you're going to use the provided alcohol wipes to clean right where you were just scrubbing. And that is why you use the alcohol wipe. Look how dirty it got. Then grab the appropriate visor, this is for the front driver's side, and test fit it. Slide it into the channel and see about where it's going to go. And then remove it. Peel off all the backing to the tape. Then what you want to do is pull up and out on the visor and put the window all the way up. After the window learns its position and you can get it into place, leave the window up for 72 hours and let the visor sit in place, and then you can put down the window. Now we're going to repeat the same process for the other 3 windows and your installation's finished. Alright, we got our AVS window vent visors installed on our Silverado. The in-channel design gives it a really nice sleek look. They look like they could have been a factory option. Installing was pretty simple. It shouldn't take you more than 30 to 45 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading off road.